Hi everyone, welcome to JMP Art Studio. Today I will show you my desk where I usually draw. So this part is where I keep my tools for drawing charcoal portraits. Also beside this is my Prismacolor and then some erasers that I use. So I separated the ones for charcoal and for colored portrait so that it would be clean and neat whenever I draw. I have my kneadable eraser here. I have some sharpeners here, markers, and brush for the charcoal portrait. I also have here with me my pencils. So I separated the darker shades, which starts off with 4B and then to 8B. So I have like 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B, and then some blending tools and the darker shades. I mean the lighter shades rather, and then some blending brushes for the charcoal. Also, I have here some smaller pencils so I use already. And of course, my ruler for the grid that I use for drawing the portraits. And this is actually what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of what portrait I'm working on. So that's her. I hope you recognize her. She's a beautiful woman that I just wanted to draw, and since she ordered a portrait from me, I decided to make a drawing for her as well. She ordered a drawing of her two kids, and I decided to give her a drawing of herself as well. This one is my favorite charcoal, the Faber Castells. But since it's already used up, I think I need to buy and secure bigger sizes of it. Although I have here black shades, but this is classic color. I also have here another brand of a charcoal, which is also my favorite. I used an extender so that I could still use it. And then some of my colored pencils, more colored pencils here. And then over there, these ones are watercolor based. That's why I separated it. And then more charcoal, I mean more Faber-Castell pencils there, some watercolor based paints, and then pentel pens. And then this is where I record the video, and that's what I use whenever I record a cover for a song. And I use that sound recorder, and then I have with me my external drive as well. Also, I have this. I don't know. I just want to keep the pencils residue. Do you call that residue? I just don't know what it's called. And then we have here my acrylic paints. Although I have more, but I just didn't put it here since they are kind of messy, and then these ones are more organized because they are in a tube. And my guitar, some of my artworks. Comment down below if you want to see like my artworks, since that is just a pile of them. I have a lot more. And that one I shown is where I keep my makeup and hair tools like blower. And this one is the organizer for more markers, paints, and I have my paint brushes. So these ones are used already. I just decided to keep them. And I have here more clay, air dry clay that my brother and I use whenever we want to make clay art. And then my favorite marker. I also have this corner wherein I keep markers and then some ball pens and pens, highlighters whenever I study, and then some paint brushes, and then measuring tape. Of course, I need that to measure orders for the paintings. And then my favorite sharpeners. So I actually have four of them, but the two are already broken, so I just need to throw it away. My pink stuff here, pink scissors, pink cutter, pink highlighter, and then my pink ribbon for orders, and then more artworks here, and then anime artworks there. I hope you enjoyed this mini tour. Actually, this is the part where I write I love to write as well. And then this part is where I draw so that, I could easily do what I want. If I want to draw or if I want to write, I want them to be separated. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and leave a comment. And if you like it, maybe give a heart or a like. Thank you and have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.